Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can rewrite text in Gemini. So let's get straight into it. To rewrite text using AI on Google, uh, you can use direct prompts. So paste your text and tell the AI what you want to do it for. Example, so let's go professional. So we can rewrite this. So let's go like something like that, like so. And I will just place the text right now here and submit. We can also rewrite creatively. So let's go and do this. So rewrite this story into the more suspenseful and descriptive. So like that, and place it the text in that. Now we can simplification, so explain this like I'm 5 years old. So this one works also. It's really that it explains in the simplest option that you can have. And you can also turn this into a structured list of key takeaways. So let's do that. So turn this paragraph into a structured list of key takeaways, so like that, and place the text in, and like that. So this is how you can write text in Gemini. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.